Oh, my green chef is here. Oh man, look at this. Time to cook. Let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness. It's really exciting, guys. It's how I cook these days. I go grocery shopping right at my front door. All right. How do you open this? Okay. Packaging is beautiful. Look at that. Here are my recipes for the week. Looks like I'll be having salmon, chicken breast, and some kind of risotto. All right, here's what I'm going to show you guys, how beautiful this packaging is. Everything is packed in frozen packaging. It's ice cold. It's beautiful. Can you see inside that box? Awesome. It's fresh. It's cold. You have to remember there's meats in here. Look at that. Beautiful. Organic salmon. Wild caught. All right. So I'll be showing you a new recipe this week. Stay tuned. All right.